one of our sponsors, GSME, has been always here. They have been the driving force, the biasing factor of our diode model. So we have a video recorded message. Let the video speak for itself.
Driving the future of semiconductors with precision, performance, and power. At GSME, we specialize in advanced FinFET node design and full-scale back-end manufacturing, delivering seamless, cutting-edge solutions for today's tech demands. From concept to customer. Design, manufacture, deliver. The future is here. Smart power management and edge AI aren't just concepts. They're embedded in our latest innovations, from silicon to scale. Smarter by design. Experience the difference with GSME.
We all thank GSME for their sponsorship and for all the effort that they are putting in this ecosystem. We also like to invite Mr. Azeem Abbas to share the GSME's journey and outlook with all of us.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everyone, and Assalamu alaikum. It's really a privilege to be here among such a diverse audience. And my name is Azeem Abbas, and I'm lead design engineer and manager at GSME. And I'm going to walk you through the journey of GSME. So we have a strict time constraint, so I will try to cover the important stuff like how we started, how we are evolving, and along with the company's vision for the future. So let me start by give you a quick snapshot of GSME. So you can see in a relatively short time since our founding in 2022, GSME has developed a strong global footprint with our headquarters in Silicon Valley, right next to TSMC building in San Jose. Then we have a design and manufacturing center in Oman, Pakistan, and Vietnam. Then we have our manufacturing center in Taiwan. We have also grown our design team significantly with 230 plus engineers, with 200 plus IC designer engineers and 20 plus engineers in niche of RF designing. And we have a specialized team in advanced packaging. And we are planning to grow our team in Pakistan and Taiwan. And this number, inshallah, will go up to 300 plus by the end of 2026. Then GSME has raised so far $53 million fund, and due to GSME proven track record, the Omani Sovereign Fund OIA and Maverick Silicon is backing up the GSME. And then we have developed some IPs, especially on power management solutions, buck boost, LDO, and then for secure communication RF transceivers and advanced power controllers. And we have a proven record of 1,000 plus tape outs on advanced TSMC nodes. Then we have incubation centers for unique ideas, and also we have funding opportunities for TSMC projects. And we are exclusive VCA Lite partner with TSMC and channel partner with GF. And Cadence, Synopsys, and Siemens are our EDA tools providers. And OSAT side, ASE, Static, PAC, and SPIL are our partner. Then GSME has a unique talent development program. Under this program, we hired local talent. We train them for 1 year, follow up with one tape out for hands-on experience. Then we hired them to work with the industry. So far, GSME has 100% job success rate under this talent development program. Same program we started in Oman with 100 plus engineers. with the help of some Pakistani engineers from ICD lab FAST. And same program we started here in Pakistan with the help of ICD lab, a lab run by Dr. Rashid Ramzan. And our GSME Pakistan team is sitting right here. Please raise your hand. And these are the people who develop these IPs locally here, from concept to architecture, architecture to GDS, GDS to their testing evaluation boards, and each and everything was done locally here. And currently we are running same program in KSA under GSME umbrella. So this is the GSME timeline. GSME was founded in Q1 2022 by Mr. Farhad Jangir, GSME Delaware. Then in 2022, we started Oman Design Center, and it was the first design center in the whole GCC. Then in 2022, we became the VCA Light status company, and we were the fastest VCA Light status company in history of TSMC. Because of the trust of the TSMC on GSME and Mr. Farhad. And then we started our Taiwan Design Center, and then we did some tape outs in Q1 2024 and Q4 2024. We did 20 plus tape outs from Oman and Pakistan, and Oman also become the first country who designed the official chip locally in the Oman. Then our way forward, we acquired some companies. In Q3 2025, we acquired Symbol Technology, and we started our Vietnam Design Center. And then Q4 2025, we acquired Muse Semiconductor. And Muse Semiconductor is #1 tape out service provider company in TSMC ecosystem with 500 plus customers. And please visit our booth outside to get more information on Muse Semiconductor. Then we hired US Chip Act Netcast team, and then we acquired RF design team from Tarana Wireless, and then we hired advanced packaging team from Intel. And in Q1 2026, GSME secured 35 million Series B funding. So this type of growth does not happen in isolation. This requires a clear vision and strong leadership. So talking about the leadership, Mr. Farhat Jangir is the CEO and founder of GSME. He started his career from fab in various companies like IDT, Cypress, Texas Instruments, and then he envisioned that fabs are exiting from Silicon Valley. So it's time to move to fabless. Then he joined the Silicon Image. And in Silicon Image, he launched the first HDMI and eSATA standards. Then he moved to SciTime. And SciTime was a startup at that time. And you may not know the SciTime, but if you are wearing an Apple Watch, every Apple Watch has SciTime MEMS-based timing solution in Apple Watch. So he helped SciTime to go IPO from startup, and then he moved to Synerchip, and from Synerchip he moved to Quantenna. And Quantenna was also a struggling startup at that time. So Mr. Farhat played a pivotal role for the Quantenna to go IPO from startup in 2016. And in 2019, onsemi acquired Quantenna in $1.1 billion. So that's how he ended up in onsemi, and then onsemi made him the first GM of first 300 mm fab, and onsemi actually acquired that fab from GF, and GF acquired that fab from IBM. So it was basically an IBM lab. And then he started GSME in 2022. So these are our esteemed board of directors. First one is Dr. David Lee. Dr. David Lee is a very seasoned entrepreneur and an visionary inventor. He invented two worldwide digital media interface. One is the HDMI and another one is the DVI. And he is also called the father of HDMI, and he got the Lifetime Achievement Award from industry on his inventions. Then the second one is Brad. Brad is also a director of GSME, and he worked as vice president of TSMC for more than 26 years. And he helped them, TSMC, to grow their business from millions to $1 billion. And companies like Apple, AMD, Broadcom are babies of Brad, and he helped them to grow from their inception to growth. Then Simon is also a board of director and our technical advisor for product. He's one of the best SoC designer, and he has great expertise in digital as well as analog designs. Then we have Manish, Amir, and Professor Ahmed. These are our investor directors from different companies. Like Manish is from Maverick Silicon, Amir is from Ethka Group from Oman, and Professor Ahmed is the chancellor of University of Nizwa. This is the company roadmap, and GSME actually separated its company into 4 phases. First one was the foundation. So in 2022 to 2024, we worked on strengthening the foundation of the GSME. And in 2025 to 2026, our goal was capability expansion and market penetration. So by the end of 2026, we want to make GSME as a brand name in the industry. And not only we are working on market penetration, in 2026, we are also working on acceleration and ecosystem leadership. So by the end of 2027, our goal is to make GSME an exemplary leader for the industry. And we are planning to go for IPO in early 2028. So I'm told my time is over, so I will quickly go through the IPO slides. We have the IPs in power management solutions, DC-DC converters, power computers, and fast charging for the battery management devices. Then we have the secure IPs for the secure wireless communication. And the company goal is to build military-grade secure communication for wireless IPs and covering the Wi-Fi 7, 5G, and cellular applications. And then these are our core expertise and design services that GSME is offering. So that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.